Welcome to the Android tablet Managing Alerts and Notifications course. You'll learn how to silence your tablet and how to stop it from interrupting you with messages, notifications, and other alerts when you don't want to be disturbed. There are many types of Android tablets. If your Android tablet is a different model to the one shown in this demonstration, the steps might be slightly different, but you can still follow along. If you don't want to hear notifications from email, messaging, and other apps, you can mute your tablet. To get started, swipe up from the home screen, then tap the Settings icon to open the Settings app. From the list of options on the left side of the screen, look for Sounds and Vibration. Tap on it to see some options on the right side of the screen. At the top, tap the Mute icon so that the circle below becomes blue. Your tablet will now remain mute when you receive messages and other notifications. The screen will still light up to alert you if you receive a notification. It just won't make a sound. To unmute your tablet, you can tap the blue circle under Mute again, but for this demonstration, we'll tap the sound icon on the left. When you switch on Mute, notifications for emails and messages will still be visible, but your tablet won't make any alert sounds. When you switch on Do Not Disturb, notifications will be ceased altogether. This can be a handy setting to use when you're focusing on something important and don't want to be disturbed, or when you're sleeping. Once you switch this setting off, your tablet will catch you up on any messages or emails that you missed. From the Settings menu on the left, look for Notifications and tap it. On the right side of the screen, look for Do Not Disturb and tap it to view the options. Right at the top is the main Do Not Disturb switch. To turn this setting on, tap the switch so that it moves to the right and becomes blue. Do Not Disturb is now switched on. You'll only want to switch this on if you do not want people to be able to contact you. If you're just looking to silence your tablet, you might be better to turn on Mute instead, which will allow your tablet to receive calls and messages without making any sound. If you miss a call or message while your tablet is on silent, you'll still receive a notification, so you'll know that someone was trying to contact you. When Do Not Disturb is switched on, your tablet will not be able to receive calls or messages, and you won't even receive a notification if someone tries to contact you. Once you switch the Do Not Disturb setting off, your tablet will receive notifications once more and will catch you up on any calls or messages that you might have missed. You can schedule Do Not Disturb to automatically turn on and off at times and days of your choosing. Tap Add Schedule to explore these options. You can also allow friends or family members to contact you during Do Not Disturb, so they can still call you in an emergency. To turn Do Not Disturb off, tap the switch next to Do Not Disturb so that it moves to the left and becomes grey. Your tablet will then be able to receive messages, emails, and all notifications once more. To finish this course, we're going to look at a handy feature that will help someone return your tablet to you if you've left it behind somewhere. From the Settings menu on the left of the screen, find Lock Screen and tap on it to see the options on the right. Tap on the lock screen image to open a preview of the lock screen. At the bottom of the preview, tap on Contact Information. A box will pop up along with the keyboard. The message that you type here will appear on the lock screen to help others return your tablet if you lose it. Include your contact number or another number that someone can use to find you. When you're happy with the message, tap Done. In the top right of the screen, tap Done to confirm. Now, let's see your lock screen message. First, lock your tablet by pressing the power button on the side so the screen turns off. Now wake your tablet by pressing the power button once more. The lock screen will appear with your message visible at the bottom. You've reached the end of this course and have learnt how to use the mute and do not disturb features on your tablet and how to put a contact number on the lock screen. If you're unsure about any steps, you can rewind the video or click the chapter headings to jump to the start of a chapter. If you're ready to move on, there are many other courses to explore on Be Connected.